So I've been playing around a little more with my boost converter and managed to get the efficiency up quite a bit. Obviously, as you increase frequency, your efficiency goes up dramatically. Well, especially with this rather primitive inductor that I made. Anyway, so the top trace yellow is the PWM frequency. The bottom trace blue is the output voltage, and there's measurements there and there for frequency and voltage. At 2 kilohertz, you're getting about 12.4 volts out, but you're horribly inefficient at about 1.2 amps input current. And then if I turn the pot, looking at about 40 volts output there. That's really good considering it's about 7 volts input, although 1.5 amps input as well. But the efficiency goes up quite a bit as the frequency goes higher and higher. And at 40 kilohertz, it's actually very efficient. Current draw drops dramatically down to about 25 milliamps. I'm measuring current in AC mode because I tend to get more efficient, more accurate readings due to the PWM kind of confusing the DC voltage reading, current reading. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. But I did some of the math for efficiency. There is the PWM frequency, input voltage, input current, output voltage, output power, and then efficiency. So at about 2 kilohertz, you're only about 4% efficient, but if you jump up to 40 kilohertz, you're quite a bit better at about 90% efficiency. So I think next I will play with duty cycle and see how that comes into play. Anyway, it was a fun little project, and I would recommend it if you haven't done anything switch mode before. Really simple, really easy, and you learn a little bit.